मेरे दुश्मन समझ रहे थे मैं अब कभी लौट के ना आऊंगा। एक गुमनामी का समुंदर है, उसमें ही जाके डूब जाऊंगा। अभी बाकी मेरी कहानी है, सारी दुनिया को जो सुनानी है। मुझे पहचानो, देखो मैं हूं कौन, आ रहा हूं पलट के, मैं हूं डॉन।
तुझसे टकरा पाया है कौन, तुझको पहचान लो, मैं हूं डॉन।
The most awaited film of the season, Dawn 2, has been making waves all over the world. Bollywood Hungama takes you on an exclusive coverage of Dawn 2, where Shah Rukh Khan, the Dawn himself, is shooting for a promotional song, Mujhko Pehchan Lo. Let's go on location and also find out what Farhan Akhtar had to say about the shoot, the song and Dawn 2.
डॉन।
It's a music video, it's a promotional video for the film Dawn, and it's essentially where just a character piece, and instead of having Shah Rukh coming in and dancing with girls, because we see actors doing that in promotional videos all the time, we thought we'd take a little different route, and instead of doing him singing and dancing, we'll get him singing and doing some action. So it's basically he's here for a deal, and as all good things must come to an end, the deal goes wrong. And there's a shootout and an action sequence that follows. So he's going to sing and be fighting at the same time. So it's kind of choreographed action, but while he's singing. So it's kind of an interesting new way to treat the song.
By the way, Farhan, where is Priyanka Chopra and is she going to be a part of this absolutely amazing song?
Priyanka is not a part of this song. This song is primarily just about the character of Dawn. So there's another video we've done which will be out, I think, on the 4th now, which is with Priyanka and Shah Rukh.
The music video looks more like an act. So what's the mystery behind getting the talented choreographer Vaibhavi Merchant?
At the end of the day, there's a fine line on some level between hand-to-hand choreography in fighting, and you can make it dance as well. So there's a lot of grace in the movement, but it's essentially two people fighting, supposedly, as opposed to jiving with each other. So she's the director / choreographer on the shoot for the song. We have Sham Kaushal ji here, who's doing the action and the stunts. But so it's essentially a choreographed piece, but instead of it being about a dance, it's about action. But we needed a choreographer for it as well.
Farid Unsharia with Zohaib Jamadar and cameraman Tahir Sheikh for Bollywood Hungama News Network.